Well, good morning. It is Wednesday, February 12th, and we are starting to get some snow. We're supposed to get upwards of 8 inches of snow today, which is fine with me. We haven't had hardly any snow this year, so I'm ready. Today, I'm going to be shooting one of my two Bearcats. This is the cheaper version. This is the 1970s version with the ugly red glass. Don't like that glass. This has got an AMO of 60. Now, my favorite bow that I own is the 1968 Bearcat, and that's the one with the 64-inch AMO, and it's got the nice big beautiful riser, and it's got the brown wood. This is like their cheap bow, and if you can see, they don't even have like a coin in there. It's just like a sticker that says Bear on it. So, but it's still a good bow. I still shoot pretty good with it. So let's see what we can do here today. Thankfully, it's cold enough today that this is not going to be one of those heavy snows. It's hard to shovel and stuff. It's going to be fluffy snow. So 8 inches of fluffy snow is nothing for us Wisconsin folk up here. All right, first shot. Look at that. Right in there. I don't shoot this bow as often as I should. I think just because it's not as fancy as my other ones. I'm guessing this would have been considered a budget bow in the 70s for bear archery. See, the front glass is brown, but that back glass is red. I just don't understand that. All right. Let's see if we can replicate that. Nope, pulled that one. But I do not hide my bad shots. And that was a terrible shot. All right. I really wish it was still hunting season. This would be like a perfect day to be in the woods. Nothing like a nice, soft, fluffy snow falling to make the woods just peaceful and quiet and gorgeous. But nope, I'll just be stuck at home, probably watching the grandkid today. All right. There you go. That one was better. A little left, actually. Boy, I'm not shooting that good today. Huh. That doesn't make me happy. Well, actually, it doesn't bother me either. I'm not trying to win any awards for shooting. And everybody has their off days. This must be one of my off days. That's 2 bad shots out of 3. Let's see if we can make it 50%. If we can make it 50%, make this a good shot, we'll probably make this the last shot of the video. Let's see. There you go. That was in there. Maybe one more shot. That will definitely take. Right in the middle of the lungs. One more shot and then we'll call her a day. My fingers are getting a little chilly. Still have to shoot a short. All right. How about we go at the... we'll just do the deer again. There, that's what I'm talking about. We'll end on a perfect heart shot. So 3 shots out of 5 are good. Those other 2 were total crap. Look at that. Nice shot on that last one. Hope you're all doing good. Snow's coming, thankfully. I'm glad about that, actually. As you can tell by the smile, I don't smile very often, and here we go. So, like I said, I hope you're all doing good, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.